Welcome to a serene escape nestled in the heart of the Apuseni Mountains. Each chalet is a masterpiece, seamlessly blending Scandinavian-inspired architecture with modern comforts. As you step into the spacious living room, you feel how the comfort meets style. The open space kitchen, fully equipped, is perfect for preparing gourmet meals. The separate work office offers a quiet and inspiring space to keep your projects safely running. The private bathroom is a sanctuary of relaxation, providing a spa-like experience. The two cozy bedrooms and the separate king-size bed in the attic with mountain view offer you a deep silence and comfortable sleep. Picture yourself unwinding in the private terrace jacuzzi, the warm water soothing your senses as you gaze at the star-studded sky. Here you can also order traditional food or local products for a truly authentic culinary experience. Every detail is thoughtfully curated. Find yourself immersed in a world of refined elegance and natural beauty. Karstic Chalet, perfectly blended with nature.